Good morning, dear students. Today we will talk about pH scale from chapter acid, base and salt. First of all, the definition of pH scale. The scale which measures the concentration of H plus ion or hydrogen ion in a solution is called pH scale. It means we can say that the value of pH scale or the value of pH for any solution will depend on the concentration of H plus ion or hydrogen ion. The value for pH scale ranges between 0 to 14 for any given solution, and this value is totally decided by the presence of H plus ion present in the given solution. Now, if we talk about water, we know it very well that water is a neutral compound. In pure water, the concentration of H plus ion is equal to the concentration of OH minus ion. That's why water is a neutral compound and its value on pH scale is given as 7. So whenever a solution contains equal amount of H plus ion and OH minus ion, it is neither acidic nor basic, simply it is a neutral compound, and we have example of pure water. So in pure water, the concentration of H plus ion is always equal to concentration of OH minus ion, and its value of pH is 7. That's why water is a neutral substance. Now, if we start moving from 7 to 0, means we are moving towards left, then the concentration of H plus ion will increase. So here we can say that solution having pH value equals to 3 and solution having pH equals to 4, the solution which is having pH equals to 3 will have more concentration for H plus ion. So if we start moving from 7 to 0, then concentration of H plus ion will increase and concentration of OH minus ion will decrease. We know it very well that the acidic property of any substance is directly regulated by the concentration or amount of H plus ion. So as we are moving from 7 to 0, the concentration of H plus ion increases, hence we can say that if we start moving from 7 to 0, the acidic character or acidic strength of the solution will increase. So next point here, for acidic solution, where value of pH is always less than 7, then the concentration of H plus ion will be greater than the concentration of OH minus ion. So from 7 to 0, H plus ion increases while OH minus ion decreases. Now if we start moving from 7 to 14, we are moving towards right, then the concentration of H plus ion will decrease while the concentration of OH minus ion will increase. We know it very well that the basic character is directly controlled or directly regulated by the concentration or amount of OH minus ion present in the solution. So as we are moving from 7 to 14, the amount or the concentration of OH minus ion increases. So we can say that basic character will increase. So here from 7 to 14, OH minus ion concentration increases while H plus ion concentration decreases. So for any basic solution, the value of pH will be more than 7, and there the concentration of H plus ion will be less than the concentration of OH minus ion. So if you are provided the value of pH for the solution, then you can directly predict that the given solution is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. If value of pH for any solution is 0, it represents highly acidic solution. If the value of pH for any solution is 14, it represents highly basic solution. So, from 7 to 0, acidic character increases or acidic strength increases. From 7 to 14, basic character increases or basic strength increases. Suppose you are provided two solutions. Solution A having value of pH equals to 4 and solution B having pH value equals to 5. Since both the pH values are lesser than 7, it represents both the solution will be acidic in nature. But if we want to compare the acidic strength, whether A is more acidic or B is more acidic, then for comparison we have to see the pH scale. If we start moving from 7 to 0, if the value of pH decreases, then acidic character increases. Here A is having pH value 4, B having pH value 5. Since 4 is lesser than 5, so solution A will be more acidic than B, and it will be 10 times more acidic than solution B. So we can say here, if we change the value of pH by 1 unit, it can be decreased or it can be increased. Then the acidic character or basic character increases or decreases by 10 times. Here, change of 1 unit is there. So A will be 10 times more acidic than B. Second case, let us take solution C having pH equals to 9 and solution D with pH equals to 10. Since both the values are more than 7, so it clearly represents that the solution will exhibit basic character. Values are given: C with pH value 9 and D with pH value 10. The value which is more closer to 14 will be more basic. Similarly here, the value which is more closer to 0 will be more acidic. So 10 is more closer to 14 in comparison to 9. So solution D will be more basic than solution C. Or we can say that in solution D, the concentration of OH minus ions will be more than solution C. Since change of 1 unit is there. So here we can also say that solution D will be 10 times more basic than solution C. Please remember, whenever a solution is neutral, then its pH value is always equals to 7. Solution having pH less than 7 will be acidic in nature. Solutions with pH more than 7 will be basic in nature. In next class, we will talk about some important inorganic compounds like bleaching powder, like sodium hydroxide, like sodium bicarbonate, and so on. Thank you.